everybody, Homebrew 62 here with another kit beer. This time it's the Brewer's Best Honey Brown Ale. This is one I'm looking forward to do because right now it's a beautiful fall day. It's perfect for brewing. I think it was about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. What is that? 10 degrees Celsius this morning. Just beautiful day. It's a little warmer now, but fall's in the air. Brown ale is in the air. It's going to be in the air when I start brewing. For some reason, as we head into the fall, this is the perfect time to brew for Thanksgiving Day. Actually, it gives me, I think we're roughly 5 weeks till Thanksgiving. So, and for some reason, for the last like 3 years, I've been brewing brown ales for Thanksgiving. I don't know. I guess it goes well with turkey and leftovers and all that, and the feel of fall. But anyway, so let's open this baby up and see what we got inside. So this is what you get in one of these Brewer's Best kits. This is, again, the Honey Brown Ale, and I'm really impressed with these kits. If you are a new brewer, if you are new to brewing, or if you just like to try brewing, I think because of the quality and care they put into these kits and the clarity. I mean, look, you have everything. You basically have a brewing schedule here they send. And it's very self-explanatory, really easy, and the kits do the same things over and over again, which is really nice. And I'll tell you what, when I started brewing, I used a kit just like this, and I think it was an American brown ale, Brewer's Best, and I'm telling you what, it tasted really good, better than most beer on the market. But anyway, so with this kit, the Honey Brown Ale kit, you get 2 ounces of Technique hops. You get there's a pack of 4 ounces of crushed Carapils malt, and then there's some other malts here. It's chocolate barley malt, crushed honey malt, and crushed Munich light malt for a 12-ounce bag here. So it's 16 ounces altogether. You get 60 bottle caps if you want a bottle condition. And the rule of thumb on beer, bottling beer or kegging beer, is that if the darker the beer, the more you want to bottle it, because the more you want to age it. And aging in kegs, I guess you could do that if you have a lot of kegs, but a lot of people like me don't. So I'm probably going to bottle this. So I probably will use the priming sugar they have here. You get 3 pounds of extra light spray malt. Really nice, man. That's heavy. That's gonna be really, really good. And then one of my favorite yeasts, SO4. A lot of English ales used with this yeast. It's one that leaves some residual flavor, a little bit of fruitiness to a beer. Doesn't dry it out too much. And last but not least, it's 32 ounces of honey that goes into this that they give you. I mean, that's a big. I mean, I have big hands, but that's a huge bottle. Really heavy. I mean, pure wildflower honey. That's what it is. I mean, that right there is probably. I mean, that would cost you, I would think, at least $15. But like I said, I got this on Amazon for $35. It's got the brewing instructions and everything, and I just can't wait to start brewing. So let's get to it. folks, another brew day under the old belt. Really enjoyed that. It's kind of nice and simple to do a kit beer. It's going to be really nice to have that for the Thanksgiving season. And so anyway, we'll see how it turns out. Now I have got to clean everything up. My favorite part of the job. Well, thanks for coming along with me, and happy brewing to you, and I'll see you on the next brewing video.